Hi, I'm Dr. Alexander Anusita from the Fuera Calvicie Clinic. We are a group of certified dermatologists, specialists in hair restoration located in Polanco, Mexico City. In our clinic, you will find various services such as capillary mesotherapy, capillary stimulation therapies, low-intensity laser, and hair graft, beard, mustache, and eyebrow, using the most used F.U.E and F.U.S techniques. We have highly trained medical personnel with experience in hair pathologies, treatments, and innovative techniques to treat these conditions, as well as comfortable facilities to make your experience pleasant. Our main objective is to improve your image, your style, and above all, your quality of life, satisfying your needs and meeting your expectations with timely attention and quality.